If this is all the hurricane we're gonna get, I'll take it. Looks like it's passed us by, man. I can't stand that woman.
Any one of these bands, any one of these storms that move through could briefly spin up a tornado. And it's not just for folks in Highlands and Polk. It's really any of these rain bands that we see up across right now moving into cities.
Hey, it's SHOVELHEADFFEJ out in the Shovelhead shed. I'm not sure how much you can hear. There's a tropical storm, actually a hurricane Arcadia, whatever weird name, just passed by. All of our thoughts and prayers are going out to everybody that's north of us, man. And when I say our prayers, I really do mean it, because I am a praying man. I know that's not popular, but I'm definitely a praying man, and I know what it's like. I know what these people are fixing to get. By the time that this video comes out, we're already going to know, I guess, where it hits in Florida. Right now, it's right off of our coast. It's about even with Tampa right now. This is going to be a super short video. I wanted to get a video out because I want to keep constant every week. The time that I spent getting prepared for this video, we live in a rural community, and there's some elderly ladies that live around us, and me and Miss Dee Dee were spending our time kind of getting ready for this, helping them out, helping the last time, almost this time last year, it was a mess, as you know, if you've watched our videos. So anyway, we never know. It's a hurricane. I'm a veteran of I don't know how many major storms and major hurricanes as part of Florida. I grew up here my whole life. I grew up in Florida. Hurricanes in my blood. Miss Dee Dee's grew up here her whole life. Hurricanes in our blood, so it's no big deal for us, but we have so many people coming down from up north, and then this is their first hurricane, and it seems to scare the spit out of them. So anyway, the time that I was supposed to be making videos was helping other people out and stuff like that. So it's a real short video. Last week, on my last video, I didn't mention anything about our giveaway bike. So we really didn't sell any tickets. We're coming close to having all the tickets sold. Of course, if you bought a ticket, all you need is one to win. But man, if you can buy another ticket, sure help us out. I keep pointing there because the bike is right there. I want to get this bike gone so I can start with the giveaways on the other bikes, which some of the other bikes are, not that this bike isn't cool, but the other bikes are cool too. So anyway, I've had a goal of 10,000 subscribers, and right now I'm about 193 away. So if you're watching this video, and if you watch several of my videos, I'd really appreciate, man, just take the time to subscribe. Of course, like, share, and subscribe. But if you'll subscribe, I really do appreciate it. It helps an old man out. And I'm old. Anyway, we have a few of the hats left, especially this time of year. If you really want to piss people off, which I kind of like doing, we still have some of these that make choppers great again hats. They're awesome hats. They're Richardson hats, high quality hats. If you go on our website, SHOVELHEADFFEJ.com, I think we have like a 4.9 rating. I think there was one guy that thought the sticker was too small. But anyway, we have some great reviews on our products that we sell. We try to sell the highest, the best quality. Hate that this turned into a commercial again. On the bikes, for $25 you receive this pretty cool little sticker, and that puts you in for the drawing of the of the 2007. God, I hope that's right, man. I got so many things going on in my mind. The Sportster L 1200. It's got 3,500 miles. I think it's 3,500. It's 3,500 miles, and somebody's going to win it. Somebody's going to win it pretty soon. Like I said, I want to get it gone, and it's a great bike, and we're just trying to raise money to help finish the bike. This is the frame right here of a completely. It's going to be completely restored, not to original condition, because nothing is original if once you paint it, but it'll be restored as close as you can get, and it's a 19. Jesus, I think it's a 74. I don't remember, man, but it's a shovel head, and the motor's been completely rebuilt and stuff like that. So anyway, because I'm old, I forget things. So we need to get rid of the Sportster, put the money into this one, and there's a couple other shovel heads and a couple other Evos that we're going to do giveaways on. So anyway, like I said, I'm going to spend the rest of my life restoring bikes. I'm going to spend the rest of my life doing what I love to do, because I spent the majority of my life doing things that I hated to do. So, and of course, got the t-shirts. We got them in, we got them short sleeve, long sleeve, got hoodies, different types, and they're inexpensive, but they're good quality shirts. SHOVELHEADFFEJ.com. Of course, like, share, and subscribe. The rain has kind of slowed down for a bit, but anyway, today is Wednesday. I think I said that. It's gonna be raining. It sucks. We're under a tornado watch. My phone keeps going off telling me to get into a basement and stuff like that. This is Florida. There's no basements, man. Jesus. Anyway, be scared. Always be scared. That's it. I'm gonna see you next week. Got a bunch more videos coming up, and I'm gonna start doing longer format videos. I don't like really the short. I really do enjoy the long. Chopper Rod's been doing his thing. He's been on a hiatus, and so he'll be back in the videos pretty soon when he's ready. And that's it. Peace.